Hey guys, this is a video on how to do a factory default of your Veritas 8 system. This is relevant whether it's a Veritas 8, Veritas 8C or Veritas R8. Now there are two ways to do this, depending on which type of panel of those three that you have got. So watch, because one may suit you better. Let's go through it. So to begin, take the panel lid off the panel. Inside, you'll have your backup battery. You'll want to disconnect one leg of the backup battery. Then get the fuse and take out the fuse to down power the panel. This is the same whether any three of the Veritas panels you're doing, do the same thing, down power the panel. Then wait 10 seconds just to let it completely down power the capacitors. Now it comes to putting the fuse back in. Here's the bit where you reset it. As you put the fuse back in, just continually press the reset button. Put the fuse in, continually press the reset button when you've done it, and then it will default the panel back to factory set conditions. It will make a tone to let you know that the system has been defaulted back to factory set, and then the codes are 4321 and 1234. Now, the second way is quite important, because if you're doing this on an R8 panel, you might not have the keypad on board and the panel might be in the loft and you aren't able to press that reset button when you're doing this work because the keypad might be down at, say, the front door. So for you, what you want to do is do the same thing again when it comes to down powering the system. You'll want to take a leg off the battery and then take the fuse out just as we did on that one. And then again, you would wait for 10 seconds. So let's get cracking with this. Leg is off the battery, fuse out, and wait for 10 seconds. Now, when you then put the fuse back in, you see the tamper switch that's up there at the top. I'll put a circle around it now. You need to continually press that in and out as you put the fuse in. Just keep on doing it and it'll work the same as the reset button did. It will just default the panel back to factory set conditions, so you can do that when the panel is somewhere where the keypad isn't on, say, the R8 version of this Veritas panel. Just continually click the tamper switch and you'll hear it make a tone, make a chime, and it will revert the panel back to its factory default conditions. Now, if the engineer code has been locked, so the engineer code is still the same as it was, you can't change that, you'll need to get an engineer out, or you might need to actually replace the board, but hopefully not. Then once you've done that, put the battery back on, put everything back together, and you're going to want to put the lid back onto the system. So you put the lid on, screw it up, and you've now got a panel that's ready to be programmed and it's at its factory set conditions, so you can do whatever's necessary to make it right. So hopefully that's clear enough, guys. If you're a bit unsure, let me know, put in the comments. If there's anything else you want me to go over security wise that you need help with, let me know and I'd be happy to do it. Thanks very much. Bye bye.